So guys, in today's class, I'll be showing you how to invest $1 on your Binance. Alright, now this is very simple and easy for everyone to do, especially people who have very little amount of money. So you can see I have just about $2 on my Binance app, but I'm going to be investing just $1 out of it. Now this is not financial advice, but then it's just a way you can make little amount of monies. Alright, especially when you're very new to trading or investing. All right, so first things first, look at the left hand side over here, click on the hamburger sign you can find here. So when you select it, the next step you're going to click is on the end. This is the end area. This is the shortest place you can actually use, or you can even click on simple end. Anyone you like you can choose, or choose anyone you like. When you have selected it, you can now select simple end, which is the next place you'll be going to. So when you click on simple end, now you must have any of this crypto you can find here. For example, I want to invest USDT, so it means I already have about 1 USDT right now. I have about 1 USDT already. So out of my $2, $1 is USDT. So if you have Doge, you can invest Doge. If you have USDC, you can invest USDC. Now you can choose flexible, locked, or hot. Now I prefer flexible because if you choose flexible, you can withdraw your money anytime you like. All right, so if I select flexible, I can withdraw my money anytime I like. But if I click on locked, if you click on lock, you cannot withdraw your money anytime you like. It can stay for 30 days, 60 days. For example, you can see 180 days here, which means whatever money you lock in here on the simple end, you cannot withdraw it. It's going to stay for 180 days. For this FIL, you cannot withdraw it for 30 days. So this means about 6 months. 180 days is 6 months. CTSI is 130 to 30 to 120 days. So you can see you're locked. Locked simply means you are leaving your money locked for a certain period of time. So I prefer flexible because I can withdraw my money anytime I like. All right, so you can choose hot. Hot is also cryptos that are doing crazy amounts at the moment. All right, crazy spreads at the moment, but I'm going to choose flexible for now. All right, so I'm going to choose USDT. I'm going to click on it. All right, so the lowest you can actually invest here is about 0.01 USDT. Is the lowest you can actually invest here. All right, you can see I have about 1 USDT on my balance over here. You can see it here. All right, so I'm going to click on max. I'm going to invest just 1 USDT. In fact, I'm going to remove all these little crumbs and allow it to be just 1 USDT. 1 USDT is okay. And for me, you can see your APR. This is estimated daily rewards. It's around 0.000189 USDT. So this means that every day I'll have some little drops of USDT in the amount of 0.00018198. So this means if you have more money than this program helps you a lot. All right, for example, if I have about 10,000 USDT, okay, maybe the estimated daily rewards will be loading, but right now I can't find it because I don't have up to 10,000 USDT. All right, so I'm going to just leave it as 1 USDT, and I believe it's going to share how much I can actually get using that particular amount. All right, so this is how much I have. But if I have up to 10,000 USDT, I believe I should be getting around 1.8 USDT, okay, as daily reward. So every day you have your reward of that amount coming into your wallet. All right, it's very cool if you have up to that amount. All right, click on this area where you find this I've read to the Binance term and stuff. You can click on it and click on confirm on this area. And when you click on confirm, you can see subscription successful. You have subscribed. The subscription date will be here. So you can go to N wallet, and of course you can just navigate it. So every day you will be seeing some drops of small USDT. You can see this is just something like this will be coming into your wallet just every day. All right, now if you want to close it, or you want to close it, you're no longer interested, maybe you're no longer interested, you want to redeem back your money, just click on redeem on this area. Okay, click on redeem on this area. Now please don't toggle this place on, because if you toggle it on, it means some of the USDT you already have will be auto subscribing, which means let's say you have 100 USDT, but you want to use just 1 USDT to do this. All right, you have used only one and it's remaining 99. If you click on this place on, the remaining 99 will come inside here the next day. So you want to avoid it, you just have to leave it off like this. But if you want to auto subscribe. You can auto subscribe like this and click on confirm at the bottom. All right, and this is also very okay. And then you can click on redeem if you're no longer interested, you want to remove the subscription. So for now guys, I'll be leaving you guys here. And in fact, before I even go away, I think I have some little Dogecoin in my account. I have some little Dogecoin in my account. Let me go check it out. I have some 7 Doge, and I will also do for the 7 Doge. I'm going to go back to where I started from. Remember I said I'm going to come to the face of the platform, click on this 3 hamburger sign over here. Then I'm going to click on simple N. You can click on N, you can click on simple N, anyone you like is okay. Then I think I have some Doge. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to, okay, the maximum is 1 Doge and I have 7 Doge. I'm going to click on the maximum, and this is the amount of Doge I will be getting daily. Okay, you can come to the product rules and read all of these things, guys. This is not a way to make money. Okay, it's not a way to make money. It is just a program organized by Binance. It's a feature on Binance. Anybody can do it, so it's not a way you can make huge amount of money. Okay, so this video doesn't teach you how to make money. And then you click on confirm, and I've also subscribed my 7 Doge. All right, so go to N wallet, and you can see that I have 2 of them under subscriptions. Now in the next 1 week, I'll be coming here to share how much I have actually done with these 2 products I have subscribed to. For now, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day, and make sure you're subscribed. Ask me any question down in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you.